this, as you've seen in the series, is going along. Last I had run diagnostics on it, and it has completed those, no problem of course. And now I'm taking an image of the machine, and we know how well these damn images work, but hopefully it will this time. I'm going to reload the OS. That'll be an upcoming video. So I'm just taking an image of it. In the event something gets fucked, this way I'll have that to hopefully revert back to. Oh, now it's using a little more. There, now back to 50. Skanky cunt rags. Using too much electricity. Fuck off and die, will ya? There we go. It's created my backup. We'll hit OK. Take out our Tocadiscos. Oh, wait. Oh! Holy shit! Oh my god. Burning down the fucking planet as we speak. Unfucking believable. And this processor. Oh my god, it's so ice hot. I can't. This shit was under maximum fucking compression. Okay, it's a Pentium 2 300. This was barely fucking warm. Now the heatsink is actually cold. It's actually fucking cold. And what else happened? The power supply fan got noisy. So I'm going to have to oil that. So we'll have a video on that. Why? Well, it's been in service for years. Needs a little bit of maintenance. You know, that's why I brought it out here. So we're going to open it up and we're going to oil the fan. Once we oil the fan, it'll run for another 10 fucking years. That's right. So now we have an image. Everything's good. Everything's all set. We're going to power it down. And what does it use? Nothing. Even though there's standby power, still uses nothing. And it's off. And I mean, oh man, the heat output. I'll have a video on that. You know, I'll get my little temperature thing and show you. We'll turn this off too. I could unplug it, but I'm going to turn it back on tomorrow morning when I continue working on it. Tomorrow would probably be to service the fans. Maybe both, maybe just one. Probably better to do both, but more of a pain in the dick. Power supply is going to be enough trouble as it is. So we'll service at least one of them, and then we'll reinstall Windows. I have my drive here with the backup. We can unplug it. There, wasting more electricity. There, it's fucking unplugged. You cocksuckers, every fucking one of you, totally defeating the fucking purpose of the video. Old computers are never obsolete if you can find a use. I didn't say shit about electricity. I didn't say shit about heat. I didn't say shit about get a Raspberry Pi, get the chip, get any of these new pieces of shit out there that's going to end up costing me more to do the same thing, because now I got to plug 3 fucking things in instead of 1. I'm getting tired of the fucking internet. I really am. Fucking retards. Where is a 5 1/4 inch floppy drive plugging into a Raspberry Pi? Where? You can't even fucking USB it. No, you need a system like this for that. Where are you plugging a zip drive in? Oh, it plugs in USB. Well, I don't have any of those. This is an internal IDE one. And guess what? It works. No click of death, nothing. You come to me with a good Zip 100 disc you have shit on, I can transfer that. Fuck, I can transfer it to 5 1/4 inch discs if you want, if you supply those as well. Raspberry Pi's doing that. You all suck. Fuck all yous. Hit like, hit subscribe, go fuck with the trolls on the other video there, and take care. We'll see you next time.